Hey fam, hey, bro, what it is you do, bro? You dressing all goddamn every day I see you, bro. You got ice on,
Man.
You hopping out of Beamers and Mercedes trucks and
Stop
shit. You got
it,
them with the suit on looking like James Brown and shit.
Stop it.
What's going on, bro? Tell me what the hell move is, dog.
Hey,
I need
man.
the sauce. I need it.
You know, what it is that I do is I teach people the rules of the game when it comes to their money. I just did a talk the other day, explained to people that slavery never ended. And they wanted to know what I meant by that. Back in the day in slavery, they used to house us, clothe us, and feed us. Our only job was to work. Now, they said, man, let them house, clothe, and feed themselves. And let them come back to the factories to work for the money that we never taught them anything about. And as a result, they'll save accounts for their future with no protection, no way to project where they'll truly end up. And they're only a health event or life event away from having financial cancer. So what I do is I stop the prevention of one of the largest spreading diseases in our country, which is financial cancer. That's what I do. Yeah. I stop the spread of cancer financially so that our people won't go and still be enslaved in the mind and their body is free. Back in the day, you keep the body and you keep the mind. Now you release the body and keep the mind. That's cost effective. So, I'm gonna teach you the game. You ask the right question, so I'm gonna give you the right answer. Catch me later.